everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have opening from Cisco and Byju's to discuss. So these openings are very important because this is into core jobs of type of your graduation as well as maybe your field of interest, and these are into obviously the famous companies in the world, and also the CTC providers is it's very insane. Okay, so this will be very great if you could get into this position at this. Okay, so grow up and try hard to get into these positions, and obviously your career will be secured and safe. Okay, so let's get into that. First, let's start with Cisco. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon too. While you activate the bell icon, please go for the all, because whenever we upload any videos, you'll be getting notified. If you select any of the others, you won't be getting notified for all the videos that we upload. So you may miss so much of opportunities like I'm providing as of now from different companies. Okay, so you can just go through the video content of our channel. This is we can provide you with immense help for the placement needs, everything from the job opening till how to get the selected in interview, like how to prepare yourself for the interview, everything, every help we can provide for you. Okay, so if you wish to get a special content or something, you can just mail to this and you can inform what you want, and if it is genuine and if it is relevant and if it is required, or if most of the students are demanding the same, obviously we look into that. Okay, so we are here for you, so you can put any concerns towards that. And now let's go talk about the Cisco career. So there's an opening in Cisco for the software engineer, cloud application development. It's no grade. So location is Bangalore. Now coming to software engineer. So here you can go through the things, okay, and you can know like what are the specifications or the job responsibilities that you will be performing there. So this is what you will be doing under that. So if you have like it's okay for you to continue with all these things, then obviously you can go for this. Now who you are, okay, that is the eligibility criteria. So recent graduate or on your final year of studies towards a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, related majors such as math or physics. Okay, so I think it's pretty much clear. Minimum 8.5 CGPA or higher. The requirement is only for 2022 pass out. Okay, so I think this phase is very important. So it's for you who is at the final semester. So I used to get like lots of comments like provide some opening for 2022. There is no opportunity for those people like that. Obviously you have, this is the time that all the openings for you, exclusively for you, get started. Okay, so when you're in your final semesters, so much of opportunities do come, and at the time of your passing out month or those time, 2-3 months, then there will be plenty of opportunities for you. So this is this opportunity to get into Cisco. So it's very great. So whoever can apply to this eligibility criteria, please make sure that you tried hard to push it up. Okay, now solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering with an aptitude for learning new technologies, strong knowledge of programming and scripting, possess creative problem-solving skills and external troubleshooting or debugging skills, experience in establishing and sustaining excellent relationship with extended team. So that is, for this you can take an example like internship if you have any, or else you can go for your any projects, competitions, or your academic projects wherein you fought as a team member. Okay, you had been in a team member. Now excellent verbal and written communication skill. Okay, so this is it. So basically this is an opening for recent graduate, like bachelor's of master's degree. It can be BTech, BE or BSc, whatever, in computer, specialized in computer science. Okay, and it is for 2022 pass out having this CGPA range. Okay, so this is about the opening in Cisco. So this is only for 2022. Now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with your application process. So you need to get log into their section to complete the registration process. So once you log in, you will have the sections where to complete your personal details, your resume. That's it. Okay, so education, everything is the primary details that they will be asking. So create it and submit your profile under Cisco Careers and constantly check your mails so that you you keep a complete track on your application. Okay. And also one more thing very important is update your resume with the keywords from the eligibility criteria and job description. That's very important. If while the resume is getting scanned, then that those keywords should struck and your resume must be kept hold. Okay, so this is about Cisco careers. And coming to the CTC details provided, obviously Cisco is a high paying company and this is a code development field, so estimated salaries 9 LPAs and remaining things to vary. So 9 LPA is the joining, with this joining according to the previous year's estimation. Okay, so that is the almost CTC provided. So this is about all about Cisco, and obviously you will get I mean, this is a great high paid job as well as a core job as well as a great company to get in. Okay, so whoever can apply to this, please to apply to the earliest. Okay, now next we have an opening from Byju's to discuss. So in here you are applicable. Okay, you can go for a wide range of students can apply it in here, no matter like where which batch you belong to. So these are the skills. Any graduation, post-graduation, having a keen interest and deep understanding of Indian education sector, interested in mentoring and guiding students, having a knack for sales, good interpersonal and presentation skills. Okay, so these are the skills provided and you can see the details, and to apply for that, you can click on this apply. So basically this is applicable for a wide range of batches. Like if you belong to any batch, you can apply to here, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, whoever. Okay, 22 to if you find this job good, then you can apply for that. So this is about that, and to fill the details, you can give all these things, upload your resume, after that apply. So once you apply this, follow back details will be through the mail. Okay. So this is it. And now in here, other details you can see. All selected candidates will be part of 2-month training process under the business development trainee profile. So you are getting hired for this business development field, designation, and you'll be trainee for 2 months. At that month, the stipend will be 25,000. Upon successful completion of training, candidates will be promoted to the role of business development associate. Okay, so this is the position that you will be getting in. Now for direct sales at 7 plus 3 LPA, that is 7 LPAs are the constant one, 3 LPAs will be the incentives or the things according to the work providers. If you work well, then obviously you can assure this 3 LPAs. Okay, so it's something like that. So base salary will be always this. So in total you are getting for 10 LPAs, and that is great. Okay, so incentives in the sense, obviously you will get it if you're working anyway, so you'll get it. And 10 LPS is a great salary package that you can ever get. So whoever, basically, if you don't want to get into software development, software field, then this business development associate is also a great field if you wish to get into this position. Okay, so this is the opening. So in here to this position, any graduation is completely fine. You just want to have interpersonal skills, if then it's completely fine. If you are from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 batches, then it's completely okay into this position, because what they want is a skill, not any kind of graduation or any kind of batch specification. Okay, what they want is a skill. Okay, so whoever want to apply for this job, you can apply. So the best category to apply for this job at this point of time will be 2019, 20, 21, 22, and 2018 too. You had like opportunities to apply, but still you can try applying to this. And if your skills are strong, then you have an door here. Okay, door open here. Okay, so that's about the opening in Byju. So I think all the openings that I explained in this video today is pretty much clear, and both the openings is having almost similar CTC range, and it's a high paying job ever. So please try hard yourself, push yourself. If you're not up to the eligibility criteria, then get this job done and enjoy your successful career. Okay, so starting, you can just imagine if you get into these jobs at the starting time, then like after some experience, like if you get some promotions, or if you would like to switch, okay, both criteria, you can just imagine the exposure that you're getting and also the CTC that you are receiving. Okay, anyway you will get, obviously you need to get a hike, right? So if it goes on hiking, then what will be the range of you within like almost 2 years. What will be, where will you? So, okay. So keep all these things in mind and try hard for your career. Okay. So that's right. That's all about this job openings I had today. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.